Hi everyone!
Hello everybody!
Happy Friday! Today we're going to educate you on exercise and healthy habits.
The reason of this is because starting next week, we are going to do some exercises before we start our activities.
So take out your paper and follow along with us. Have a plan. When will you work out throughout the day? Hydrate your body. Drink plenty of water. Fuel up. Choose a healthy snack throughout the day. Bring a positive attitude so it can be more fun. Bring music. Put on your athletic shoes. Wear comfortable clothes so you can move around. Warm up your body. Visualize your future results.
Now let's talk about some healthy habits. Smile proudly. Brush and floss your teeth daily. Exercise regularly. Move your body around 60 minutes a day. Learn daily. Don't forget to read and practice your sight words. Read magazines or do online reading. Fuel your body. Eat healthy, balanced meals and snacks. Clean up. Shower. Bathe your body on a regular basis. Apply when needed. Use deodorant, sunscreen, and hand soap often. Rest up. Get 9 to 11 hours of sleep every night. Express yourself. Wash and change your clothes daily. Hope you like these tips.
Have a great weekend.
Bye.